Hey guys, I want to dedicate this MC training for beginners only because I basically started about 3 months ago. So what I'm trying to do now is show the results of the sales that I did get with a certain funnel system. I'm going to give you that link. I'm also going to give you my traffic provider. He's given me the okay. Now I basically ran this thing for a while now before I even did these videos because I want to make sure these sales really were happening, the money's coming in, and I got proof before I even did the video that the sales, proof that this is happening. Also in my emails, I have MCA alert sales. I'm going to scroll down that so you can see everything in there. I'm also going to go through the subscriptions, the autoresponder that actually, so you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting of talking to people, going door to door, getting brochures. This is completely done online where you can sit back, relax, and kind of work on the business instead of actually in the business. So this formula has worked for me, and I just wanted to let you know what is coming up before I start going all over the computer to show you the results of what this MCA business has done for me so far. It's definitely a life changer. You're not going to get rich quick, but the money does start to accumulate as your team builds and you're getting overrides, bonuses, and other perks that keep you happy, smiling, and ready to just do kind of like what I'm doing right here. So I just wanted to share this with you. So let's go to, I'm going to go right now to my Gmail account. And you're going to get my traffic provider and his link. If you like what you see here, you're going to love this guy. He's going to definitely make you sales. I told him, and you're going to get the type of leads you're going to need. He's going to work on his list. He's going to use his personal email with your link. It'll be your link that they go to make you sales, not him. He's doing this for you, and you'll get access to those email lists when you click on there, and you can buy so many clicks. I started small and worked my way up. That's why you really can't determine the person's income, only because my income is probably going to be different than yours because I've been building on it, reinvesting money made, putting the money back in to triple the sales, so to speak. So I just wanted to let you know that. I don't know, let me see if I can get in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to go into the MCA alert sales. These are just the alerts. So let me see if I can type that in. Motor Club of America. Tap. What's going on here? Let's see. There we go. Okay, you see March, February. This is March now. Now take a look at this. Just in February, look at all these sales right here. These are $80 commissions. Total security sales. Here's more. These I haven't even tapped on yet. January, all around Christmas time. Look at this month of December. This is not bad for money just beginning. Remember, I just started this not too many months ago. Now, all this traffic is coming from my traffic provider. I didn't talk to anybody. I didn't refer anybody to this. I just entered the funnel system, did what I was supposed to do, and that was it. I basically set this thing up and let the rest of it take. Now, you see a global money line. This is in the funnel system. This is the Motor Club Company website, the welcome email. All this is included in the funnel, and these are the sales that are being generated once you get started. Now you see that. Now I'm going to go to, in the same email, I'm going to go to subscriptions. Now these are the subscribers that actually signed up to the emails they want to receive for the system. Now see subscription notification. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I want to see if I can get more of those. Let me see if, because I want to let you see the whole thing here. I want you to see the whole amount of people you get from get response. NOTIFICS. There we go. Here's a whole bunch of them. Now look at all these things you got going on. Okay, obviously there's way more than this, but I'm going to see if I can find any more. Okay, there's one down there. I guess every so many emails, you'll see these subscriptions come in. The main idea is this. You want a business, you can kind of set it and forget it. So once you've set it up and forget it, everything's ready to go. So this is what I wanted to do. So right now, I'm going to give you the actual funnel link that I use, and I'm also going to give you the traffic provider's website. That's what I'm going to do right now. So let me see if I can put that together. I'm going to put it in the video as well, so you guys have it. So let's go to, first of all, let me, yeah, I'll do that. We're going to go to http:// This is the traffic provider's website. If you can write this down, or I'm going to go over it, I'm going to put it in the link on this, below this video somewhere, so you have access to this link. And I'm going to give you the funnel X project link, so you can actually get that going for you. And then you can use, either way, you can use the traffic provider for your MCA business. But again, I think the autoresponder is much easier, where you set it and forget it and let the funnel system do all the work. Remember, you're going to work on your business instead of in the business, the same way I do. Get the sales, they start to multiply, you get to relax more, and you know your money's pretty secure with the traffic provider getting you sales. He wants your business, he'll get you more orders, and he'll keep you riding the wave if you use him. By the way, the guy's name is James Jordan. He has a special website, which I'm going to type right up here. His name is James Jordan. So write that down, so at least you have that information. So here we go. www.clk mg / okay, / Okay, you see this right here? This is the link for the funnel system. Right here. Please, if you can write this down right now, stop the video if you have to, or whatever. http://www.clkmg.com/traffic serve. You'll notice there's no E at the end of traffic serve /JOR11, JOR11. There's a /JOR11 there. So make sure, this is Jordan 11. This tells me, it helps me track where all his clicks are coming from, and I know they're unique sales from him. That's why I say this guy is very good. His name is James Jordan. He's very, very good at what he does. So we'll just click on that. This is the form that you're going to see. When your prospects go in here, they're going to click on this. They're going to go like this, click continue. I can follow simple instructions. Then you put your primary email and then you click continue. Real simple stuff. Guys, this is worth it. This puts you to help you get other prospects doing the same thing without you doing any of it. They just start to appear out of nowhere when you have the right traffic provider helping you make money. So if that's not exciting enough, and when you see your bank account and how it increases every Friday, you get paid every Friday, by the way. This thing is like totally automated. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, what I want to do is go back in here. I just want to get this traffic provider's website. Again, I'm going to put this in the video so you can see the link. I just want to go over some of the stuff so you guys get a good idea of how this thing works without you. In other words, you don't have to talk to anybody. So let me get this http // traffic big big. Excuse my typing, I'm not that quick, but / solos SOLOS, gotcha, and / you can even write this down as I write it, index INDEX dash MICHAEL. Now my name's in here so you guys get the same type of lead that I get. It's just to help you out so you know .html. Now listen carefully. The leads that this guy is going to give you, because the name is right there, it's from the same type of leads, 100% top tier. I use 50-50, 50% desktop, 50% mobile phone. So this way here you get a good, solid type of lead. And these are the leads that basically want to quit their day job. It's very specific. Types of leads are the ones that want to quit their day job and have something else to do to replace their income. Not right away, but as you gradually get this thing up and running, you'll see what I mean. Also, when you get to this point, let me click on this site. This is what the site looks like. Home, testimonials, what is a solo ad, what to expect, place an order. I would say once you get your funnel system all set up and you got your link ready and everything's set up, then get this guy involved and he'll help get you so many sales. It's crazy. There it is. Before you go, James Jordan at cashsuperstar.com, Skype James Jordan, Facebook, etc. So we'll click on his Facebook, and there he is. That's him right there. He gets good orders. He's got good rave reviews, as you can see. He's very good at what he does. So I adhere to you. Look at his face very closely. He's very good. That's my traffic provider. So just so you know, and you're going to learn about more about what types of people you want. Get the ones that get sales, not opt-ins, not just, appearing out of nowhere with sign-ups. Sign-ups could mean everything. You want the ones that give you sales. So that's the key thing. So on that note, get excited at this. I'm going to put all this information in somewhere around the video, hopefully below here. Click on them. Add this to your arsenal for MCA training for beginners. and you can make money with this. That's a promise on this. If you follow the funnel system and do exactly what the person in the funnels tells you to do, and his name's David Deckel, he's very good at what he does. So on that note, I'm going to cut this video out because, well, not cut it out, but cut it short, so hopefully you got enough information to give you incentive to start here so you can have this thing complete autopilot, putting this completely on autopilot. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you subscribe or join or whatever it takes to start making you money on complete autopilot. And I'll talk to you later.